Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 15F, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen, as that's where we have our toggles. On the left side we actually get notifications. And somewhere in here, you'll be able to find your power saving mode. Now there's multiple pages. For me, it is located right here. But if you can't find it on any of the pages, you can actually add it by clicking right here on this pencil. And then click on the plus and find it in this list. Now I am going to be looking for one more mode, which I do know it's here. There we go. We have super power saving mode. I'm going to click on it to add it. So now I have the normal and the super one. Anyway, click somewhere and then click on done, and this will retain this added toggle. Now I do want to be upfront about this. The power saving mode, as far as I remember, on these devices is piss poor to say the least. And before we toggle it on, I can actually check it. So we're going to go into settings, battery, 2350, 2540, so we get 2 hours of extra battery life with power saving mode while we're almost fully charged, by the way. And we get 22.5 hours of high performance. No, oh, there we go, 27. So 4 more hours, a little bit less than 4 more hours in super power saving mode. This is absolute of a joke for power saving modes as a result. If I compare to something like Xiaomi devices, we would be looking, if this was the same kind of circumstances of 23.5 or almost 24 hours of battery life, we would be looking in power saving mode to 33 hours of battery life, and then super power saving mode 70 to 80 hours of battery life. It usually triples the battery life. So this is just an absolute middle finger of a power saving mode. But still, if you have some kind of use case scenario, you really need to try to stretch out your battery life as much as you possibly can. It is still an option for you, and obviously you can just turn it on in here. It does give you a quick info. Turn on power saving mode, battery life will be extended, but system performance will be reduced and some functions will be disabled. Now this is a kind of a rich statement. Battery life will be extended, barely, but I guess. And there we go, it's now enabled, and you can see the battery changes color right here. Now, to show you also the super power saving mode, I'm going to enable this, and you can see why this kind of becomes a joke when your device is limited to this. No wallpaper, limited applications, every other application is terminated. There's almost nothing in the notifications here as well, or toggles. And this is designed to preserve battery life, and what it gets you is like extra couple, 4 hours of extra battery life. Big whoop. You know what also can get you an extra 4 hours of battery life? Let me just turn off both of them. This can get you extra 7 to probably 10 hours of battery life. Now on camera this is barely visible, but I can kind of see still the display. So I can tell you that right here, for instance, I can see airplane mode, location, flashlight, a wallet, and so on. So I can see this right now on the camera. It's not so visible. Let me bring it up. But brightness will be the biggest factor in your battery drain. And some other things like Wi-Fi, mobile data, and NFC will also be draining your battery a little bit, but things like NFC, Bluetooth, and so on, even when you turn them off, they are still technically running. So not much there you can do. So anyway, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.